remote collaboration on a software project. Welcome back, guys, to this video in which we are going to be looking about remote collaboration on a software project. In this video, you are going to understand what it is all about. We'll explore it in detail with its importance and why it is very useful in this day. You are going to see how to effectively communicate on a software project remotely using some tools and techniques, and we are going to go through all of this. So you see these guys working from different locations, but it feels like they are in the same office, in the same space, working together. That's the power of remote collaboration. So remote collaboration permits us to be able to tap into the global talent pool, to be able to get the best developers around the world, or maybe just a colleague beside you and work on the same project with him. It reduces the cost necessary to work in an office and maybe set up a working space. It increases productivity and flexibility as team members can work in their own space and at their own preferred times. It fosters innovation and creativity as team members can exchange on different ideas and perspectives very easily, though they are working far apart from each other. So the problem in remote collaboration is you face issues like trust, and communication can also be a problem, and how to manage the project. But we're going to see how to solve all these problems in this video such that remote collaboration becomes very seamless and just second hand to everybody, like becomes very easy for you guys to collaborate on the project. With the different tools and techniques in this video, you're going to be powered to be able to work on remote projects very easily with friends. So what are these things we're going to be looking at? We'll look at code synchronization. We have tools that permit you to synchronize code, and we're going to explain all of these. Pair programming, sketching and diagramming, very important, prototyping, project management, screen sharing, and communication. So all these things come together to facilitate remote collaboration and make it very seamless. So we look at tools for code synchronization. You have tools like Git and GitHub for code synchronization. So what is it all about? Code synchronization is actually the process of ensuring that code written by different team members is consistent and compatible. So the team members work in different locations, they synchronize their code. They can store and share this code together and get updates in a central repository where they track their changes and they can resolve any problems they have in their code base. So that's what code synchronization is all about. And Git and GitHub are tools to help us do this. If we move to the next one, which is pair programming. Pair programming is actually the practice whereby two or more developers can work together on the same code at the same time. So pair programming, it actually feels as if the developers working on the project are side by side and working on the same physical computer. Using a tool like LiveShare in GitHub, you can achieve pair programming very easily. So you guys are working on the same physical computer, kind of very seamless. Sketching and diagramming. A tool like Miro can help you sketch and diagram very easily. So you are going to be presenting and illustrating diagrams using this tool, like architecture diagrams and design diagrams. So this sketching tool is very important and helps team members actually show these design ideas, draw these diagrams that help them understand what this software is going to represent. The next one is prototyping. Prototyping is actually the way whereby those working on the project can present a simplified version of the software that can be tested and validated by these stakeholders. So if you use a tool like Figma, you can actually present your prototypes of what you'll be developing to stakeholders and they give you feedback. So it's remotely. All of these tools are remote tools, meaning that you don't need to be next to the other individual you're working with. You guys can be far apart, and all these tools come together to make this process very seamless. Project management. Using tools like GitHub, Projects, and Jira, you can be able to plan, organize, and control the resources on the project you're executing. So these tools is going to be able to permit you define the different tasks team members are going to be performing, set deadlines, track the progress of the different tasks your team members are working on. With screen sharing, Using tools like Google Meet or Zoom, you guys are going to be able to allow each other see the screen of the other person working. So you guys will be able to demonstrate and explain your working code from different locations, troubleshoot and solve problems together as if people were next to each other with screen sharing using these tools. And communication, which is actually the foundation of a successful project. You need to be able to communicate as if you were next to each other, using text messages and files, even phone calls, creating different groups for different purposes. There is tools like Microsoft Teams and Slack to communicate with other developers or team members on the project. So, guys, here is it all about remote collaboration on the software project. And if you master all of these concepts and you master how to use at least one of these tools, the other options in the market, but in this video, are strictly presented those I've worked with and those I enjoy working with. So feel free, guys, check out this and see that your remote collaboration on software projects becomes very easy for you and seamless. You can grow your software team as a developer and collaborate easily on other projects with others using all these tools from any location, and it just feels natural. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel. Don't fail to leave a like as well, and subscribe because more of this content is coming. If you love remote collaboration on software projects and you love software development as a whole, just subscribe to this channel and you'll be getting more of these.